Hello and welcome to another video with Larazon's World. Today we're changing out this water heater. It's an old leaker. It's been damaging the platform that it's on. We're going to rip it out. So the first thing we do is drain it, of course. But like with a lot of them, that plastic drain valve snaps off when you try to open it or unscrew it. So when that happens, I've got a solution for that. It's just a 3/4 ball valve, and then I can screw on a little 3/8 pipe that'll slide right in the plastic hole where the broken off drain thing was. So that works. Now we're getting ready to remove this guy. I've got a platform. I got it from Harbor Freight Tools. It's kind of nice. It's just a hydraulic lift platform, which saves a ton of work. As you can see, just bring it up and slide the old heater once it's empty and disconnected. Just slide it right on, take it right out. I mean, you can go old school and you can just tip the old heater down, and just kind of flop it out of there, but it's kind of barbaric. I choose not to do that if I don't have to. This way, just take it out, roll it out. So what we're doing now, we got to get the new heater into the pan, because we always use a pan sitting in the garage, drain pan. Best way I found is to put a couple 2x4s in front of the new pan, roll that puppy in, and just set it down. 2x4s keep you from crushing the pan, because that don't look good. Piece of cake. Look at that. Goes right in. Then of course, after we get that all set, we got to get the new heater back onto the hydraulic jack, which I think I'll show you here in a minute. I'm using American Standard water heater. It's really good. Bradford White is also good. So yeah, we just lift it up, put it back on the hydraulic lift. Got to have it against something so it doesn't roll. I've got it against the garage opening. Good times. Now we're just going to roll it in, jack it up, slide it back. These lifts from Harbor Freight Tools come with 2 of the rear wheels, I think, were stationary. They didn't like swivel. I removed those and welded in swivel wheels on all 4, so it'll go any direction for me. But you don't have to do that. That's just me. Beautiful. Look at that. New plywood underneath, new pan, straps attached. I'm getting ready to do the top side. Look at there. So on this one, we're putting in an expansion tank. Their code here, probably in most places now, just an air tank, sits on the top, connects to the cold side. And basically just, if the pressure goes up, it absorbs that extra pressure so the pipes don't have to. I like to pre-make this little manifold and then just screw it on the top. You'll see that in a minute. With my good time soldering job. They make little pre-made suspension tank setups, you know, but it seems to me they're always different. You always have to put it in a different place. I can't use the prefab ones very often, so I usually just do this. I think it's a little less expensive too, although those fittings are getting really pricey. Guess I could have shortened this clip. Boring. Okay, now we're done. So this is the TNP, or temperature pressure relief valve, I'm putting in right now. I don't like any of my stuff to leak, so I do like double indemnity protection. I do pipe thread sealant, screw it in, then unscrew it, because that gets the sealant and the threads on the tank also. Then put Teflon tape. So now you've got sealant in the threads, you've got the Teflon tape, and that makes it pretty much a guarantee that that sucker is not going to leak. Also, the Teflon tape gives you more adjustment, so you can get an extra turn if you need to get it, you know, to the direction you want. If you don't have the Teflon tape on there, it'll pretty much just stop and then you're done. So the Teflon tape, that gives you more adjustment. Good old channel locks. Those are metric and American. Fits all sizes. Also put a 2x4, you can see, back behind the heater. Keep it away from the wall and sitting in the pan nice. So there goes our little manifold. Same thing, pipe sealant and Teflon tape. And there's our finished product. See the suspension tank on top. We've got the two supply lines on there. Next we're going to have to do the exhaust. And then we can fire that puppy up. I'll tell you about the gas line when we get to it. This one was tricky. It took me a while to get the exhaust done because I had to tie it into the HVAC exhaust, and that was like falling apart. So, good times. So that's done. Our little tank. Got our exhaust on there now. Temperature pressure relief valve is not yet done, but it will be. Going all the way outside as to code. Now on the gas, they want us to put this little sediment trap. It's supposed to be just like that. Supply coming in from the top. Theoretically, the sediment will go to the bottom, and just pure gas goes into the gas valve. I believe this is it. It's all done. It's lit, heating up. Another beautiful job by Water Heater Express on Larazon's World.